Unit 1. Right, students? We finished the lesson. What is the summary of the lesson? Just once again, let us recap. Tattered blanket lesson. It shows the relation, present day's attitude of the people nowadays, how they approach, and it is a relation particularly between a son and a mother. Nowadays, you know, how the children, they were responding to the emotion, the feelings of their parents. This lesson will show you very clearly. And the author Kamala Das has who's the author of the lesson? The Tattered Blanket students, tell me. The author name was Kamala Das. Kamala Das have writings, mostly her writings are related particularly to the relations, values of relations, ethics. She used to write, and that lesson had taught a very emotional bondage, a mother's feelings, a mother emotion. Okay, what will be the last wishes of a poor mother? As the mother, just what will he ask her? What will she ask her son to bring lastly at the end of her days? You know, what will she ask? That lesson had taught us. So don't be like that, students. If we forget our parents in our life, we were no one in the world, right? You know who are the people always behind of you? Your parents, right? Particularly mother. Wherever you are, you know, whatever she may be, even she may eat, she may not eat, she will think, "Arey, my child had eaten anything. How he or he was living over there." Definitely, she will think of you. Her thoughts will be around you forever and ever until her last breath. Remember it. Such a valuable gift we got as a form of a God, and God is the great opportunity which God has given us, our mother. Such a great mother, you know, nowadays with the present day's attitude, you know, the people, how they were going to look after them. When certain age comes, you know, they were not treating them like human beings only. These are families, right? They were sending them to old age homes, or else they were, by being at home only, they were insulting them. Why? If one stage will come to us, definitely we will reach the stage. Same experience we get. Then why we should do that? We should, such an age, you know, we should treat them like children. We should take care of them. Who will take care of them? Apart from us, it is our responsibility to think of our parents. You should not feel it as our duty. We should feel that as our responsibility, students. The Tattered Blanket lesson had taught you that. Okay? I hope you are the sons and daughters of tomorrow, citizens of tomorrow. How will you treat your parents? Presently only. We don't care of them sometimes. We don't even give respect also. Once if we see the struggle of our father, one day when he was doing, how he was struggling to make us to get this all, if we see, no son, no daughter will not commit any mistakes, even in their behavior. Okay? So feel yourself as a good daughter and son, and respect them, and respect their struggle and pain. Okay? I hope you will do it. And after completion of the lesson, after completion of our lesson, you know, we have a poem in page number 11. Very good one. That is also related to mom. The poem name was My Mother. My mother name is a poem after the Tattered Blanket lesson. The Tattered Blanket lesson we finished, right? After that, we have a poem, My Mother, which was written by Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore, the greatest poet I feel, right? Not only my feeling, most of their feelings, right? Not only as a poet, he was established Shantiniketan, a school with noble qualities, to teach not in an ordinary way. To teach the right method, he started a school. Indira Gandhi, she studied in the school, Shantiniketan. She studied in the school of Shantiniketan. Not only Indira Gandhi, many great people. So, Rabindranath Tagore, he was the founder of the school of Shantiniketan, and he wrote the book of Gitanjali. Gitanjali, children, you know, learning and possessing good habits is a very great opportunity, I feel. Make yourself with the habits in such a way, reading books. What type of books you should read? Not magazines and not some things, which makes you in a very noble way to learn something. Gitanjali is a good book, students. It will change you completely if you read a book. Such a great book. You know, Rabindranath Tagore has written the book, and also not only a book, and not only was the founder of behind the establishment of Shantiniketan, there will be a number of inspirations for Rabindranath Tagore. And his specialization, he was the first man who received the Nobel Prize in Literature from India. He was the first man who received the Nobel Prize in Literature from India. That was also his specialization. But he lived his life in a very simple manner. Simplicity is the greatest beauty in the world. Don't think that any people, did you see Bill Gates anytime gold and chains? What? Did he not have any money to buy? But why he will live such a simple life? He walks like a common man on the road. He waits like a common man in a queue. Because great people follow simplicity. Don't expect much, with an appearance, with an attitude, with their dressing. Don't expect any people. And don't expect their character. That is important. And also this lesson, Rabindranath Tagore, in this poem, what he wants to express. See, mother, a word. That word is an emotion. It's a bondage to us. So now he was going to explain about his mother. The people who doesn't have them with them, they will know the value of it. We will have everything now, so we don't care them, right? If we understand, if we ask a boy, if we ask a girl who lost their mother, they will know the value of them, right? So in this lesson also, Rabindranath Tagore, in his early childhood, he lost his mother. But he is going to express his emotional bondage with his mother. He is telling about mother. What is mother? How mother will make us to grow. What she used to do for us. In what way she helps us to develop ourselves. This poem is teaching you. Open the page number 11. Open page number 11. If you open that, you will find the poem. Okay, let's start the poem. My mother. The poem was written by Rabindranath Tagore. I can't remember my mother. Only sunshine and the mist of my play. A tune seems to hover my playthings. The tune of some song that she used to hum while rocking my cradle. So, see, the poet is saying that I can't remember my mother because when he was a child, small child, he lost his mother. So that's why he's not he's saying that I can't remember my mother. Mother means he did not remember her face or anything. But completely he did not forget his mother. But it was his feeling. Only sometime in the midst of my play. When children, when you are playing, your mother will call, come on ma, come inside. It was sunny. Come on, come and drink, come and eat. Always our mother will call us. When we are playing children, is not it? Generally, our mother will call us like that. So, in the mid of the play, the poet will hear the sound of her. A tune seems to hover my playthings, when he was playing with playthings, some playthings, he used to hear the sound of her. The tune of some song that she used to hum while rocking my cradle. When we were born, where used to sleep? In cradle, right? When you are in cradle, see, definitely most of us used to remember that. Mother used to sing songs. Come on, see, when you are sleeping in the cradle, she used to hum small songs, very good songs she used to hum, right? So when he was sleeping in the cradle, when she used to hum a song, he used to remember it. So at the time only, he remembers his mother. I can't remember my mother, but when early in the morning, autumn morning, the smell of the chilly flowers floats in air. The scent of the morning service in the temple comes to me as a scent of my mother. I can't remember my mother. First stanza is over, students, and the second stanza I am reciting. I can't remember my mother, but when in the early autumn and spring, the smell of cherry flowers floats in the air. So when autumn comes, I can't remember my mother. Again he is saying it, but when autumn season, in the season of autumn, in the early morning, pleasant air. Okay, Sheila is a very beautiful flowers which comes with a pleasant smell. Flowers, a type of flowers are chilly. So in the early morning of autumn season, when anybody opens the window, a pleasant smell comes from the flowers. Such a smell. When my mother goes to the temple, early morning, how the smell comes, such a smell used to come from my mother. Okay, her mother, when she comes near to him, what type of smell he absorbs is in the season of the autumn. If anybody opens the window, in that air, the shady flower smell, a pleasant smell used to come. Such same smell used to come from his mother also. When she comes near to him, then he can remember his mother. So, and also here the poet had said that when the morning when he goes to the temple, so he was going to treat his mother as a goddess. He was going to consider his mother as a goddess. I can't remember my mother, only when from my bedroom window I send my eyes into the blue of the distant sky. I feel that stillness of my mother's gaze on my face has spread all over the sky. I can't remember my mother. So when he had grown up, of course when he was a child only he lost his mother. But when he had grown up, suddenly if he goes to the window, if he had stood before the window, if he looked into the sky, in the middle of the stars, he can see his mother. Because as she was died, she was no more, right? She was not with him. But in the stars, in the middle of the stars, he can see the clear picture of his mother. I feel that stillness of my mother's gaze. But see how he will feel? My mother is looking at me. My mother is coming for me. She was standing near window and she was watching me. The poet is feeling like that. See, even though his mother is not near to him, even though his mother was not alive, he was still feeling that his mother is with her at every moment. See, he was feeling it. He was feeling it as a son. That's the poet's feelings. Even though she was far away, in the middle of the night, when he goes to the window, he was feeling that she was coming and looking him from the window. My son had slept, my son had eaten anything. So the poet was feeling these all. These were his emotions. On my face spread all over the sky. Even though the sky was completely merged on, but even though the poet was feeling like that, see, these were the emotional feelings of a poet. Means here the poet, we can say that Rabindranath Tagore. As Rabindranath Tagore lost his mother in the early days, it was his emotional Bombay students. But in this poem, the poet has conveyed his feelings towards mother. Mother, even though she was alive or she was dead, whatever she was alive, she may be lived, she may dead, whatever the reasons might be. But her feelings always, you are the center part of your mother. Children were the world. They will see the complete world in you, children. They will see the complete world in you only. When you get a prize, they will feel that they won the world. They feel that, come on, my child did something. When you do a small thing also, they feel it like an amazing thing which happened in their life. See, with the small things only, the smallest things only, they feel happy. Such great opportunity we have, students. We see here, mother speciality, mother emotional, mother feelings, mother essay. We should experience them. We should feel. Even we fell also, first word which comes in our mouth also, mom. We don't say the other word, right? The God has given us a great opportunity. He can't be everywhere to look after us. That's why He gave us a great chance, mother. So, give value to your mother, give value to her feelings. When she says, no one in the world, mother, will not say the children to do bad things. Whenever they say you something to do, don't think that they are going to dominate you. They will care you, they will think of you, they will look after you. That's the only feeling. Don't feel that as a dominance. Feel it as a great opportunity to think that they are caring you. So enjoy that, experience that, feel that. Okay, and respond to that. But don't underestimate it, don't degrade it. Okay? In this poem, you see, poet had lost his mother and he did not remember her face. Even the poet, he did not remember her face. But his feelings were true to her mother. He was experiencing, he was feeling them. That's why he had expressed a beautiful feeling of mother. First lesson, tattered blanket also related to mother. Even though see here, he was not looking her also, always she used to think of him. Always she used to think of him. My son was leaving like an officer in Delhi. You know, he married a girl and also he had 4 children. Okay, she used to feel, she was feeling herself proud to say about her son, even though he was not looking her. And in this lesson, see the poet Rabindranath Tagore, even though he lost his mother, his feelings were very genuine and true to her, his mother. He was always thinking of her, and also he was feeling very happy to share his feelings about his mother. Whenever he played, whenever he feels the smell, whenever he visits the temple, and also whenever you are busy in playing, if someone calls, he was feeling that my mother is calling me, my mother is treating me. So when I feel in the cradle, when I sleep in the cradle, my mother used to sing song every moment. See children, when we have grown up or wherever we may be in the world, first of all, our emotional bonding, our close feelings will be related to one person. She is none other than mom. A word, a very great one, which we used to mold in our life and indebted that we can't, even though we may treat her like a queen also, but we will be indebted forever and ever in our life. Where you may be a criminal, you may be a thief, you may be a collector, you may be or whatever, you may be an artist. But first of all, whatever, wherever you are, the only person who thinks of you every time is our mother, our parents. Particularly mom, responsibilities are greatest responsibilities, students. We can't fulfill them. Every morning, once you imagine from the morning to the last night, every moment she used to be busy. She has to take care of us, she has to take care of her family, she has to fulfill her needs. She has to do all the justification to all the people in our family, how many works. So don't degrade her, don't underestimate her. Be responsibility to her duties, and also treat her in a genuine way. Give respect to her emotions and ethics. Okay? I hope you will do it. You understood the poem of My Mother, which was written by Rabindranath Tagore. We come to the end of the poem, students, and after that, see here if you open the page number, if you open the page number 12, see here, if you open the page number 12, here you have the related questions of poem. You have related questions of the poem. See here, you have the related questions of the poem. So the homework is to complete the task, to complete the bits 5 and 6 and 7. Question number 5, 6, 7. These three, 4, 5, 6, 7. These 4, you should complete them in your textbook. They are related to poem. So you should complete these question answers. Means they are related to characters only. They are related to characters. You should complete them in your textbook. Okay? So note down your homework. What's the page number, students? Page number 12. Okay? You should complete them in your textbook and you will easily find the answers of those question answers in your textbook very easily. Okay? I hope you follow and be attentive and be careful while you are watching the online classes, because these classes will not be live classes. You will have contact, direct contact we used to have in the classrooms, but through online classes you don't have an opportunity. Use this as a great opportunity and also utilize the class as well. Be attentive, be careful, and also attend the task which was given by the teachers in the right way. Okay? See you in our next class. Thank you. Be hygienic. Follow the good methods. See you in our next session. Thank you.